U.S. Army tests new ALTIUS-700M Kamikaze drone. The successful testing of the ALTIUS-700M loitering munition by Anduril Industries, in collaboration with the U.S. Army at Utah's Dugway Proving Grounds, underscores the advancing capabilities in unmanned aerial systems for modern military strategies. Conducted in September 2023, these tests showcased the drone's precision through direct hits in 6 missions, emphasizing its effectiveness and reliability in combat scenarios. This round of testing was particularly noteworthy as it involved the ALTIUS-700M, equipped with a live warhead, marking a significant progression from previous evaluations focused on subsystems and inert configurations. This comprehensive testing from launch to target impact demonstrates the system's readiness for deployment in actual combat situations. The collaboration with Department of Defense partners to meet all test objectives highlights the drone's potential to significantly enhance military operations. The ALTIUS series, including the 700M variant, supports a broad spectrum of missions ranging from intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) to direct kinetic strikes, showcasing its versatility. The ALTIUS-700M, with a payload capacity comparable to the AGM-114 Hellfire missile, is capable of delivering powerful strikes against large armored targets, including tanks and fortified structures. Its design, featuring high terminal velocity and optional delayed fuse configurations, allows for effective penetration and destruction of targeted defenses. Offering an operational range of up to 100 miles and a flight duration of 75 minutes, the ALTIUS-700M extends the operational capabilities of military forces, allowing for longer loitering times and greater standoff distances. This is crucial for identifying and engaging targets with precision. The system's use of a common software baseline and open architecture facilitates integration with various payloads and mission suites, enhancing operational flexibility. A notable feature of the ALTIUS-M series is the ability for a single operator to control multiple units, each tasked with specific missions based on their payload capabilities. This multi-drone control capability enhances mission efficiency and effectiveness. In addition to the ALTIUS-700M's capabilities, it's important to consider the broader context of kamikaze drones, or loitering munitions, in modern warfare. These drones are designed to linger in a target area, identify the target, and then intentionally crash into it, delivering a warhead upon impact. Kamikaze drones blend the features of traditional drones and guided missiles, offering a unique combination of surveillance and direct attack capabilities. They are becoming an increasingly important tool in asymmetric warfare, providing a cost-effective, precise, and hard-to-detect means of engaging high-value targets in contested environments. The development and deployment of systems like the ALTIUS-700M signify a shift in military tactics towards more autonomous, flexible, and precise engagement methods. As these technologies continue to evolve, they will undoubtedly play a pivotal role in shaping future combat operations. Thanks for watching. Subscribe Defense Lab's YouTube channel for aviation and defense industry news and updates.